Hello guys, I am playing Roblox, and today I'm playing Flood Escape. And if you guys never played this, yes, my brother again. If you guys have never played this, it's basically what the name is: Flood Escape. But there's what do you call it? There's like additional things to it. And you'll see when I get in the game. I am usually a medium or a hard player. Or whichever one is done first, I play. Which looks like either that one or that one. And I'm going to medium, baby. Alright. And my brother should be joining soon, but I know you guys want me to play with some people besides my brother. But I don't know when they'll be able to get to me. But here I go. Okay, here I go. I'm gonna bounce at this. Go, 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 go. Come on, come on, come on. Ah, no, mommy! No! I'm so stupid, people! Alright. Yeah. That wasn't good. But now, I'm going back. And there's my bro! Yeah! So, oh, sorry. Good. So, I'm recording. Shift 1. I'm going to hard, baby. And I'm playing with my brother for the first time in Flood Escape today. Ethan Gamer TV. Soon, my face is gonna be on it. I hope at least. So yeah, today's my first time with a webcam. And that basically just shows your face. And I do not want to go there. I need to go climb that. Mommy, this is too hard for me. Alright, here I go. I'm a bounce so I can do this. Oh, oh. No, mommy! I think I'm dead. Alright. What do you do, Mr. Guide? You look kind of fancy today, so I might as well see what you want. What do you want, sir? Sir, do you want me or not? Welcome to Flood Escape. How can I help? I know how to play. Goodbye. And let me just... I need to change my camera angle. I like playing like this. But if you guys don't, we'll deal with it, okay? Wait, will I go to easy and rocket? Wait. I'm going to easy. Yes, yes, yay! Oh, it's full. Sorry. Aha. Alright, I haven't played this one in a long time. Oh, I'm beast. I just went up here. Can I make that jump? Do you think I can make that jump? If you do, subscribe. Oh yeah. Oh no! I got always done. Okay, here we go. I'm going to easy. No, Mom! I suck. 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 Nah. Alright. I suck. I really suck. I don't know if I really do. I mean, goodbye, flittering, whatever that says. And going up here, yeah. If you guys want me to play other games, please leave a link in the comments below. I mean, why did I say that? That's my job. No! Mama. Oh, hello, Mr. Guide. Goodbye, Mr. Guide. Where's my bro? Where's my bro? Where's my bro? Hey, bro. Hey, Sam. What up? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Hi! I'm gonna be a beast! Oh, wait, what's that? Excuse me. You didn't hear anything. And yes, this is my pajamas. Aren't they beautiful? Okay, so I hate this one. Even when I play on, sometimes when I play on a mobile phone. They suck. I'm playing hard, so. Oh! Stupid guest! I want to just murder you now! You didn't hear anything. I'm not a murderer, guys. Gotta exit out of that. I want to see if I can spectate my brother. Oh, hi, Sam. So what you doing? No, what? I don't want to spectate him anymore. I don't want to spectate. I'm going in. Oh, yeah. I'm shaking my booty. You didn't hear that at all. Hi, Sam. Hi, Sam. Hi, Sam. Hi, Sam. No, let me in. 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 What is my... Bye-bye. Ooh. No. No. I'm going hard. Like a bounce. Turning around to see my bro. Why do you have green hands like the Hulk? So, next time you see me, I will be playing whatever you want me to. Oh, there's one again. I suck at this one. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. No, 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 mommy, 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 mommy. Oh my god, I'm alive. Oh, no, mama, mama. I want my mama right now. Can I make that jump? I'm a boss. Oh, and there goes my bro. Oh, mommy. No. It's over. Sorry, guys. It's over. I will play 3 more rounds of Flood Escape. And here comes the first one, people. That I will go to the end. The end. The end. Don't ask why I did that. I'm just kind of a weird guy. I'm waiting with my bro. I'm looking skeptic today. Climb, you fool. Painful choices. But I don't like pain. So, if you guys never played, I will explain how the game works. Usually, you want to turn everything in other games. But in this game, you want to turn it red. And that's what I do. Perfect spin. Or two. Okay. Two more rounds to go, and then it's done. For some reason, I can't talk. I mean, do I have something called can't talk, something, illness? I don't know, but it's crazy. Come on, who will die first? Who will die first? They all have one player left, but who will die first? And easy! Yay! And now there's a flood of people, including my bro, trying to get to it. I want to see when this thing fills up. Come on in, come on in, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. My name is Bob. I don't know why. I hate these. Oh, I'm not good at those. Don't ask how my brother made that and I didn't. I mean, I don't know. Maybe I'm a noob or he's really good. But I've been playing a little longer than he has. Just a little. I have to go that way, of course. No! That's why I classify myself as a noob. Don't rhyme anything with that because it just annoyed me. Alright, one more round of flood escape and that's the end of the video, guys. Okay? That's the end. Or is it? There's one more round to go. And I'm going to hard. No, no, no. Wait, can I play by myself? I want to wait for my bro. Oh, yeah, he's coming. Just me and my bro at a plumbing job. Me and my bro at my plumbing job. Me and my bro at my plumbing job. I can't make this jump for some reason. Alright, here I go. No, 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 mommy. Oh. I feel like that should be the end, though. I don't think it should. We have to finish off with just winning or surviving one of the rounds. And I'm going to hard again. Okay? Last time I didn't have the webcam because I accidentally put the thing in the full screen, and so that didn't let me do it. I know I do not have the best recording abilities, but that's how my game goes. Or my computer goes. But, oh no, wait, why am I going this way? Why am I going this way? Oh, good. No, climb! Oh. Alright, guys, seriously, this is the end. I really have to go. I have something important to do. So, I'm going to have to see you guys later, okay? I will see you later.